Okay जी, ये मैंने फीस सेंटर से जाके लिया जी. I bought this from the fees center today. This is Extreme 3D Pro from Logitech. Okay. So मैं इसको अनबॉक्स कर रहा हूँ. अनबॉक्स करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. Trying to. So it comes like this. Oh, it's appropriately weighted, I think. It's heavy. Yes. So the package contains one joystick, one Logitech joystick, and instruction manual, and there is no CD inside, but the website link is given if you need any special software requirement for your operating system. Okay. So now this is the controller. As you can see, USB, I think it's USB 1.0. Very nice feel. Yes, trigger, thumb button, look around. I think it's 8 directional. And then there are programmable 6 buttons. This is throttle. Well, it has very light weight to it. It's not very, very, what should I say? It's not very tightly fit. Okay. So I will give you a full review later on. Thank you.